ZENY Portable Compact Twin Tub Laundry Washing Machine 17.6 pounds capacity mini washer spinner for apartment RV camping semi-automatic. Large capacity, twin tub design washing and spinner separately.Large washing tube capacity 11 pound spinner tube capacity 6.6 lbs, half of the washing capacity, you may spin twice. Large capacity can make your life more convenient.It is great for a family use. Lightweight and portable, the unit has dimensions of 24.8 long, 14 in depth and 28.3 tall with a weight of 27.5 pounds, making it very easy to transport. Manufactured from a durable plastic body, this compact washing machine is ideal for camping trips, dorms, campus life, apartments or anywhere with limited space. Powerful cleaning, although small in size, the compact mini twin tub washer is effective enough to leave your clothes smelling pleasantly clean and fresh. The powerful 1300 RPM motor operates smoothly and runs quietly. Gravity drain, place the mini twin tub washer on a stable and elevated platform near a drain for easy draining and proper operation. The unit can drain into a bucket or bathtub. Easy operation, fast and through cleaning for your laundry. The wash cycle runs for up to 15 minutes, while the spin cycle runs for up to 5 minutes each load. Wash and spin cycles can be run simultaneously. Separate timer control settings for wash and spin cycle operations. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.